Hello everyone, today I will introduce our new product, which is called the Candle Pro, the sequence version. Okay, this product includes 3 candles, 1 controller, and 1 12 power supply. Okay, now I will show you how to play it. The adventurers in the room should blow the candle and to light it up in sequence, and the lock will release. Okay, now I will show you it. Okay, the lock released. The sequence can be revised by the room owners. Okay, and the audio of it can be revised by the owners. And this candle is made of the paraffin, which is just like the real candles. Okay, and here is a Coca-Cola can, and you can see the size of the candle. It's big and it's very beautiful. Okay, now I will show you how to set this prop. First, hold pressing the right button on the controller and power on it.
Please let go of your hand. You can set the game password now. Please wait for 10 seconds after configuration is complete. The system will automatically save the configuration. Please enter now.
Okay, now you can blow them up in the sequence you want to set. And you should wait about 10 seconds. The sequence can be saved automatically.
The password has been saved.
Okay, now let's try one more time. This time, I will try the sequence reversely. The lock won't open because it's a wrong sequence. Now let's try the right sequence. Okay, the lock got released because it's the right sequence.